We, on the 28th of September, got a fantastic event, the Ultimate Property Investment Event. And in this event, we're going to be talking about buy, refurb, refinance. What is the magic that some people are doing that makes a massive difference in their buy, refurb, refinance projects? How are they finding the right deals? How are they financing the right deals? And how are they refinancing them so they get the money out at the end? So we're going to be exploring that. And also we're going to explore commercial to resi conversions. Why that's a massive growth area where property investors are continuing to go, where the most experienced property investors are making excellent profits. But we're also going to show you some of the trade secrets that mean you can 100% fund refurb of commercial buildings and conversion into resi very easily by using the right formula when you've got the right figures. And we're going to tell you how to stack those deals. So as part of that, we're doing buy, refurb, refinance, we're doing commercial to resi, and we're going to tie the whole thing up with creative financing. So this is one day, absolutely full of content, great value, and every property investor who's interested in this field is going to want to be there. This is the best event that we've ever put on at Harvey Bowes. It's going to be delivered by me, Howard Bowes, over 25 years of experience in mortgage broking, financing, private finance, investing, and developing myself. I'm going to be sharing those nuggets, no holds barred. So this is the place to be. Get yourself booked on.